Good day, good people. Now, so today we want to do a third step into playing Tadzungaira, and we'll concentrate on the left side. Now, so for Tadzungaira, we started with a part that already plays the bass notes, and we are playing. So we're already playing the bass notes and even playing them twice. So this is already the part that is heavy with the basses, and you continue. Second phrase. So this is one part, and it is a very important one, and probably the point where you should start the song. Now, when we did the netete lesson, we changed or modified the left side so that it would match what we wanted to play with the netete. So we had the part. And then for the second phrase, we would move. And then the third phrase, we continue. So you can play either this or this. So. Or. So the modification is just in the second phrase. So and then the second phrase. Then we continue into the third. So this is just a variation so that it suits the netetes that you're playing. And then when we played the higher netetes, we wanted to cascade down. So that's the first phrase. Second phrase. So it is just a way of cascading with the basses, but it matches nicely if you're playing the netetes from the key number 8 here. So this is a nice part that cascades down, also complementing the netetes that are cascading down. Now, if we lighten the basses, one way is we are playing 3 notes. Tadzungaira is, each phrase has 3 parts, and each part has 3 notes. So instead of playing this note twice, you can come back to the top note. So this is a way of lightening the basses. So now we are playing the two notes, two upper notes and one bass. So and we do it for all the phrases. So sorry. So the first phrase, and I'm starting from L2 instead of L1. So that's the first phrase. Second one. Third phrase. So third phrase you can go, but there is a nice part where you go. So third phrase. Let me do it again. And then last phrase. Let me do the complete cycle. There are a few variations, but we are lightening the basses. Instead of where we're playing, we are now going back to the upper note. And then you can move further and play, introduce, at least in the first phrase, introduce the higher left notes. So you would go first part of first phrase and then you continue. And everything I'm playing the metatails using R1. So that's the first three notes, second three, first phrase. So that completes the first phrase. So and then the second phrase. So these are the first two phrases, and then that's the third phrase. That's the first phrase. So the part that I wanted was just to introduce how we play this, but you can further develop it and start adding notes. Now there is an additional part where instead of playing, or you choose a different note, and this comes from the, if we had done the part where we play Karigamombe, three notes, like the version of Tadzungaira where we're playing three different notes would be but maybe we can wait until we do the Karigamombe part, and then we just take it from Karigamombe and modify it to play Tadzungaira. But what is important for this lesson is that we started with the part that is heavy with the basses, and then modified so that it cascades down. And then the part that cascades down, and then the part where we play two upper notes rather than two bass notes. So and then moved at least to start playing L6. And once you can play something heavy in the basses, something that mixes the bass notes and the top notes, and then something that concentrates on the top notes, you've got enough variations on the left, and then you mix them up with the way you play the netetes. So I think for an introduction, we derived Tadzungaira from Karigamombe by lengthening it times 1.5. It is a song that is 1.5 times longer than Karigamombe. And that was the first lesson, just a basic derivation. The second lesson, we introduced some variations to spice it up with the netetes. And the third lesson, we can play something heavy with the basses, something that mixes the top part and the basses, and something that is concentrates on the top notes. I think for an introduction of Tadzungaira, that's enough. We end here today.